Namaste, my name is Lakshmi. I hail from Dehradun, Uttarakhand itself. Today I have completed my 200 hours yoga teacher training course from Vinyasa Yogashala, Tapovan, Rishikesh. And today I'm sharing my experience regarding teacher training course which I have completed today finally, and I got the certificate. Now coming to my teachers and gurus. They were really too good in what they are teaching us. I could see their passion and dedication of each teachers is beyond the words. Now coming to the accommodation part, is very neat, clean and hygiene to the point. Food is very delicious and you will get proper authentic food. Authentic Sattvic food you will get here. And coming to the excursion, during our course we get the opportunity to excursion many new places like sunrise, rafting, yoga on beach. This is the best part for me. And coming to the staff, they all are very supportive, very kind and very helpful. So student, those who are looking for yoga teacher training course, I highly recommend this place, and this place is very amazing and wonderful. So please come and you can also experience this place. Thank you. Namaste.